What are you doing, Courtland? Huh? Do it over the bowl. Over the bowl. Over the bowl so you don't get it. There you go. Look at that. She got her egg in the bowl.
One more time.
Okay.
One more time.
No, that's enough. That's enough egg. Use your fork and mix it up.
I see. Oh, where is?
Oh, there it is, huh? You cooking your egg? Oh, nummy nums. No, don't. Uh-oh, is there something in there? You got egg in there? You got eggshell in there?
Ew, yucky.
Is it yucky?
There.
What's on your thumb? What's that on your thumb? What is this right here on your thumb? Courtland, look at this. What is that on your thumb?
Da.
Ta-da! No more. It's empty. We'll put that in the trash. We'll put that in the trash.